Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Today's video is powerful, everyone. If you're struggling with your position play, I'm going to share with you something that's going to take your game to the next level. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing we want to do is to neck down the pocket with a pocket reducer, and you'll see here that I'm down to 3 1/8 inch. The reason that we would want to reduce the pocket size is so that we do not cheat the pocket and will get more accurate feedback as we perform our exercise. Notice here that I'm also marking a spot with a paper reinforcement for our object ball, and I'm also going to mark a spot for the cue ball. The cue ball should be located directly at center table. Our object ball needs to be aligned between the side pocket and the corner pocket, and approximately 1 diamond out and 1 diamond up table, plus 1 ball width. Before we begin our exercise, I want to stress the significance of using paper reinforcements. By marking the location for the cue ball and the object ball, we can then duplicate the shot, thus giving us an apples-to-apples comparison during our exercise. The first shot we're going to take is with top right running spin. Now we're going to be throwing the object ball into the pocket in this case, so this is going to teach us how to aim. Our next shot is of course from the same position, but in this case we're going to use inside spin. The reason we want to begin with these two very different shots is so that we can understand how to aim when throw is involved. Next, you'll see that I've added a yellow ball right at the center diamond, tight to the cushion. From here, we're going to try to hit or miss the yellow ball with varying degrees of stun while we pocket the shot. During the first shot, we're going to try to hit the yellow square in the face. Now, a stun shot to avoid the yellow. Next, let's take a look at a stun shot with draw. Our next shot location is by moving the yellow to the first diamond on the long rail. Here, we skip 2 diamonds and move directly in front of the side pocket. Next, second diamond from the corner pocket. Now, let's pocket a ball into the corner pocket. Here, we bring the cue ball straight down table to the center diamond from where I'm shooting. Now, the shot that I had the most trouble with, and that's an inside spinner trying to pocket this ball into the corner pocket. Now that we've made it past that corner pocket and to this side of the table, it's time to shoot 2 cushions into our yellow ball. We've now moved up to the side pocket, and I have to say this was one of the most difficult shots because I had a lot of low right and I had to go 2 cushions with a lot of spin to pocket the yellow ball into the side. Of course, this exercise needs to be shot from both sides of the table. I'm only showing you the one side here just so that we can save some time. Another reminder is that we always want to shoot from the same location so that we have an apples-to-apples comparison so that we can experiment with the different tip positions we need to contact our yellow ball. Another thing I'd like to point out is that we don't always rely on just spin. We also have to factor in our stun or our degrees of stun per each shot. It's exercises like these that have given me insight into the physics of these type shots. Because of this, my position play has improved dramatically. Please leave questions and comments in the comment section below, and thank you very much for watching, everyone, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.